Hi everyone, how are you doing today? As we usually do, it's a new week. The trading market has been open for about 7 hours, 10 hours now, but it's not too late to get started. So, I'll be going to the Forest Factory to see the news we have for today. We have Red Folder USD news by 1:30 GMT plus one. That's Nigeria time. That's where I am right now. Yeah. So let me see for the week. What do we have for the week? What do we have for the week? It's a lot of red folders this week, guys. We have CPI on Tuesday. That's tomorrow. We have FOMC, CPI again, CPI Wednesday. A lot of news, so we just need to trade carefully, but that's not a problem. So when we are done with that, usually we go for our normal markup on the chart. But I'll just give you like a minute for people to join in, and I'll play my music as usual. Let's do YouTube. Um what song are we playing today? Okay, let's do this.
Are you a STEM professional and are looking to apply for U.S. permanent residency? Then stay tuned because today I'm going to be discussing an exciting option for certain professionals in the STEM field. I'm attorney Carlos Colombo, and today we're going to discuss an opportunity for professionals that are in science, technology, engineering, or mathematics and are looking for U.S. permanent residence.
Take control of the morning so you take control of your day. Own the morning so you can own your day. Start your day right so the rest of your day falls into place. Schedule that time. It's more important than anything. Sleep 30 minutes less if you need to. Give this to yourself. Are you happy with your life? Are you where you want to be? If you answered yes, turn the audio off. Now, if you answered no and you want to grow, keep listening.
Start every day with at least 5 minutes of powerful energy. 5 minutes of positive energy first thing in the morning can change your entire day. And if you can change your entire day with consistent, positive thoughts, you can change your entire life.
Can you do more? Can you be more? If you know you can be more, you need to commit to being more, and you need to start now. You need to commit now to start every day with the mindset of someone who loves life, the mindset of someone who is going to win the day no matter what happens. You won't lose. You will win, or you will learn. You will win the day because you will set your day up to win.
Your first job as soon as you rise is to give thanks. Give thanks you are alive. Give thanks for everything you do have. Give thanks for everything you usually take for granted. Set your intentions for the day. Set your goals for the day.
Give thanks in advance for the things you want. Put that in.
Yeah, so that's it, guys. Let's start proper. So whatever one thing is, I really love how you start your day because it really matters to me a lot, right? So the energy you start your day with depends on how you most likely spend the rest of your day. That aside, so I love to speak positive to myself. So okay, let me mute everyone on entry. Okay. So first of all, I want to check DXY. So we have been having our DXY markup since like whenever. But now this is what we have here on daily time frame. I can see this. Okay, 1 second. Let me try to mute nobody. can unmute themselves so that it will not disturb the call. Okay, so now the way DXY has been, we've been trending upwards, right? Like from this particular period since 2022, we had this very long bullish movement, a retracement downward, we had a little break of structure here to clear this equal lows. It was not even break up, it just came to clear this equal lows. And then since then it has been trading back to the top. So yes, what I can see at this point, I had this zone for you to come and pick it up. It did the same thing, came back to retest. It didn't come back to the zone where we have this inefficiency, and it has been doing this uptrend since then. So right now, I'm going to delete this. We have this. It already broke structure at this point for a new high. So whatever I'm looking for here is now is retracement. Let me delete this too, just to show a trend. So it's a retracement I'm looking for. We need to see DXY, come down to the retest here, and then we see continued movement upward. Any other thing, you can't see that until it breaks this trend, right? So that's for DXY. If I go to the 4 hours, okay, still the same idea. I need to see it come fill this imbalance. Can you see the whole inefficiency left at this point? So minimum of 50%. I need to see it fill it, right? So that's for DXY. That means for this week, I expect USD XXS to sell because I want it to retrace. I'm not saying it's going to retrace immediately. No, I'm not saying that. It could actually want to go, upward more before it retraces, but I'm just saying the general idea, right? This is what I want to see. So I'll go to the charts one by one, and then we'll see what we can do this week. Or if we don't see, we still keep checking the chart because there was a lot of news last week that make the market go crazy, and then we could still see things like that, which is not a bad thing, and we're not going to be forcing the trade. So this was the last markup I did on AD card. We have this lower high, sorry, higher high, higher low, higher high, like that, came back to retest at this point. Here was a double bottom. I won't call this a break of structure. It's not a full break to me. And it pushed back to the top, right? So now we are now working within this high and this low. This is our new low and our new high. What do you want to see? I want to see a retracement. If it can come deep to this point, because we have an inefficiency here that I'll want to see it come and fail. Can you see? I would like it to feel this inefficiency. Oh, sorry. Feel this inefficiency, then push back up to the top. This is what I would like it to give me. So we'll continue our uptrend, a bullish movement. Yeah, this is what I would like it to do for me, right? So it's AED card. If I go down to 1 hour time frame, it's still the same thing I want to see, guys. Still the same thing. Still the same thing. And why I love this part is because oh, okay. We have even right after this inefficiency, we have our order block, which is the two of them together are like one of the confirmations I love to use, right? The next thing I'll go to AD CHF. I really don't trade this pair that much, or I can see broke structure here, trying to retest and close this inefficiency, then go down. I really don't trade that pair. ADJPY. I've left this pair for a while because I don't like pairs that don't really have a specific direction or they're not printing what I want to see. ADNZT is just, see, this rubbish to me doesn't conform with my trading style. AD USD. Okay, these two, the news has been really messing up with this guy because at this point, went up, higher high, higher low, higher high. It came down to feel all this imbalance. It was pushing up to this point, and then the news came for it, it came down. So the downward movement it came to feel this. That was something I wanted it to feel a long time ago, but I didn't even know it was still going to come down to feel it. But yeah, the news brought it back to that point. So you could be seeing set of higher highs and higher lows. But before I actually believe in the higher highs, I need to see it break above this. it breaks above this particular zone, it guarantees me that, okay, yes, we have, a trade. Now I want to see something like this. Then you come down to, and then we keep pushing up, or it breaks downward and then we look for sell opportunities. That's what I want to see on this. Though for a while now, it's been trading between this zone. So it's more like consolidation on the higher time frame for AU, but it's something you can pick and, pick, drop, and the likes. And this is the Bitcoin. Bitcoin seems to be on a lower trend, bearish movement at the moment on the lower time frame. But when I go to the daily time frame, I could see that it is not actually a lower trend. It came to form a double bottom. It's not even a double bottom because it didn't get there, but we'll call it a double bottom. And then we could see upward movement right now. That's what I can see. Or another thing we have here is there's an inefficiency at this point where we might see Bitcoin fill and then it will go down the trend again, right? So we could see Bitcoin fill this one and go downward. Something like this. We could see go as low as 53K again. That's what I see for Bitcoin here, right? That's what I can see. Otherwise, only if it breaks this high, and then we'll know that we are in for uptrend again. So CAD JPY, I'll do my 1 hour. I really don't like the structure. Honestly, since the news came for a lot of them, I just had to let them be, right? What I want to do majorly now is every New York session I come live, we trade, you will see opportunities, and then we go off. We use different time frames, trade, and then lead the market. For now, I don't think we can have a long-term trade. So this Gemini 30 has been playing good actually. If you look at it from here, came in to fill this, afterwards, look at it, came in here for the inefficiency smoothly. So we could see something like this too at this point, and then the lower movement. That's for Gemini 30. Which is not going to be bad at all, right? Yeah, so we could see it do things like that. 1 second. It's even, I think it's doing it already. So we see it come down to form a lower low. That's for Gemini 30. Yeah, something like this. So Euro AED, I don't like the structure at the moment. I really don't like it. I prefer to stay out. Euro card, no structure. Euro CHF. I sent this markup to the group, like we should just look at it. I wasn't going to take it. I just wanted to see what the market will do. And then immediately the news came, the news took it out and then was going back up. So it's invalid right now. Right? Whenever I send charts, like I just want you guys to know that okay, yes, I'm on the chart. This is what I'm looking at, not what I'm necessarily going to take, right? So that's for Euro CHF. We're having higher highs and higher lows, but right now change structure for a lower for a bearish movement. So Euro GBP, I wanted this pair to get here, but it never did, which was very painful. And then it dipped down how many pips? Wow, this is crazy. That was crazy though. We're only going to take 31 pips and then it went down like almost 50, which is not a problem. We can always get it back. So Euro JPY, honestly, this looks like we can take the sell from here, but I really don't like the structure yet, and it's still Monday. Euro NZD, no structure. Euro USD, no structure, but we could see it come up to this point. We see this inefficiency and go down again, right? GBP AUD, this one too missed our entry by a few bips, which is very painful, but then it is what it is, guys. GBP card, no structure on this too. GBP CHF, I don't trade this one. GBP JPY, Same thing as I think EU or which one of them? EJ, yeah, EJ and GJ are looking like the same thing. GBP SGT, can you see? I don't like the way the candles are forming. GU2 is like this, almost the same thing like EU. Can you see? If you want to get to this point to trade inefficiency and go down. But by 1:30, when the news comes up, we'll know what to do at that time. NAS, look at NAS. NAS is very crazy. This was where I actually wanted to take this trade, but I missed my entry by just very few pips and dive down. I didn't even know it was going to come down to take this imbalance here and then still dive down. So it is what it is, guys. I'm happy it went well, but he didn't give me the money I wanted. So that's the thing, but it is what it is. So come back for now still. NZD card. I don't like this yet. I feel like at this point, I want to break or respect this other block until he does what he wants to do, then we can continue. NJ, EJ, GJ are all the same thing right now. NU, EU, GU are moving the same way right now. SPX, see this one too. He didn't give me that entry just like NAS, but that's all right. This is what it is. And then he came down to fill this nicely. US 30, nah, been trading itself. USD card too. I've been missing my entry. Look at it. Never came here. Never came here. So no problem. USD CHF. I really want this pair to come as low as this. Just come and feel this imbalance around this area. That's what I really want it to do for me. UJ. What's UJ doing? I won't trade UJ at all. And gold. Hold on 1 hour. Okay, so I would like to see gold break this. I just break this here. So when it breaks this, I would like to see something like this, might not be as much as this. Something like this is not bad. So when it breaks, you go back to probably feel any of the imbalance around here, and then you can get this dive down for gold, like this. What I really love to see. Well, gold is on the all-time high, so it might keep going up. I just wish it to do this. So, but then until then, it is what it is. So, I think I've checked all really, and then what we have to do is just wait. It's a waiting game. We have to see what the market prints out. We don't have to trade what we feel. We have to trade what we see always, and that's what I decided to do with you guys. So, it's good that we did this together. I really appreciate you all. It's just a short call, and I'll be posting the link to the group so those that didn't join can actually learn from this. Do have a wonderful day. Take care of yourselves, guys, and bye bye.